If you're running Facebook ads with a low budget and you feel like Meta is just stealing your money and giving you nothing back, listen to me. Because Facebook ads are not that. You are just running them like a beginner. And if you keep doing what most people do, you will burn your budget like an idiot and then cry that Facebook doesn't work. In this video, I will show you the exact low budget strategy that works in 2026. So no complicated funnels, no guru bullshit, no secret targeting hacks. So just the real stuff that gets results. By the way, my name is Jacob. I'm the CEO and founder of Lemon Agency. We do around 100k per month in revenue and I've spent over $1 million on Meta ads. So I'm not talking from theory, I'm talking from real spending, real data, real wins and real failures. So I've tested campaigns that made crazy ROI and I've tested campaigns that burned money so fast I wanted to punch my monitor. So if you're a beginner and you want a strategy that actually makes sense for low budget, you are in the right place. So here is the truth. Most beginners think Facebook ads is about finding the perfect audience. No, Facebook ads is about this. Good offer plus good creative plus simple structure plus patience. That's it. And if you don't have those, Meta will happily take your money and do nothing for you. Low budget doesn't mean you can't win. It just means you can't be stupid with your decisions. Because when you have $500 per day, you can test 20 things and you survive. But when you have $10 per day, one wrong move and you are dead. So let's fix it. Okay, mistake number one, choosing the wrong objective. So beginners love traffic campaigns because they see clicks and feel progress. But clicks don't pay your bills. Traffic is for people who want to feel good. Leads and sales are for people who want money. So if you want leads, run leads. If you want sales, run sales. Not engagement, not video views, not boost posts. So stop that shit. Mistake number two, over-targeting like a control freak. You select 10 interests, you narrow by behaviors, you add engaged shoppers, and your final audience is like 14 people in a forest. So in 2026, Meta's algorithm is smarter than you. I know maybe that hurts your ego, but it's true. You don't need 50 interests. You need a clear offer and strong message. Okay, mistake number three, testing like a broke gambler. You launch ads, spend $6, no leads, and you turn it off after 4 hours. Bro, Facebook is not Amazon Prime. Results don't arrive in 24 hours with free delivery. Ads need time and ads need data. And if you don't give them time, you are not optimizing. You are just panicking. So here is your low budget mindset. Your goal is not to create the perfect campaign. Your goal is to create a simple campaign that collects data and improves, one step at a time. You don't need to be a marketing genius. You need to be consistent because small budget plus consistent execution beats big budget plus chaos. Okay, and before you spend even $1, you need 3 things ready. First, one clear offer. Not we do services or best company in town. Nobody gives a fuck. Your offer needs a clear outcome, simple words and simple promise. Examples, we clean your office twice a week so it's always spotless, starting this Monday. We fix your plumbing problem in 24 hours or you don't pay. Or next one, we detail your car in 1 day and make it look brand new again. Or maybe we renovate your bathroom in 40 days, full service, one price. So you need to say what people want, not what you want to sell. Okay, step 2, a simple next step. Either a landing page or a lead form. If you are a beginner and you don't want tech hate case, use install forms, because landing page can fail for 100 reasons. Slow website, bad mobile design, bad copy, and too many steps. So lead forms are clean and fast, so this is click and submit and done. Next one is one goal, leads or sales. So pick one. If you are choosing leads, your whole campaign is built for leads. If you are sales, your whole campaign is built for sales. So do not mix like dumbass. Okay, now let's talk about budget. If you are serious, you start with $10 per day. If you can only do $5 per day, fine, but understand, it's slower. And here's the rule. run it for at least 5 days. Why? Because you need enough data to judge performance. One day is nothing. Facebook has learning and your market has different days. People behave differently Monday vs Friday, for example. If you stop too early, you are learn nothing. So then you are just gambling. Okay, so here is your exact setup. Option A, you want leads, the best for services. Campaign objective, leads, conversion location, instant form, the best for beginners. Budget, $10 per day. Placements, Advantage Plus, and now ad sets. Targeting broad, location, for example, your country or your city. Age wide, don't overfilter, no interest at the start, let Meta find buyers based on behavior. Because if your creative is good, Meta will push it to the right people. If your creative is trash, no targeting will save you. Okay, so option B, if you want sales, so for example for e-commerce, campaign objective, of course sales, optimize for purchase, budget at least $15-20 per day. So if you can't afford that yet, start with leads or start with a cheaper conversion like add to cart. Okay, now your ad. This is where most beginners fail. They make ads that look like boring company presentations. So for example, logo, stock photos, generic text like high quality service. So that doesn't stop the scroll. Your ad should look like content, not like an advertisement. The best low budget ad is a simple video. First camera, strong hook, clear offer, and direct call to action. For example, hey, if you are a business owner and you are not getting enough leads, listen. Right now we are helping companies generate customers with a simple strategy. If you want me to show you, click below. That's enough. You don't need perfect lighting, you don't need a studio, you need clarity and confidence. Okay, here is a simple copy template you can use. Hook, if you are a type of business and you want more leads, sales, read this. Problem, most businesses waste money because they run random ads with no system. Solution, we run a simple low budget strategy that gets real results. And proof, we've already spent over $1 million on meta ads and we know what works. And CPA, click below and I will send you the details. So this is simple, direct and low reach. At least in the first sentence matters the most. If your first sentence is weak, your ad is probably dead. And after 48 hours, don't overthink. Check this. If your goal is leads, CTR are people clicking, cost per lead, and for completion rate. If CTR is low, your creative sucks. Your hook sucks, your messages is boring. If CTR is good, but leads are expensive, your offer sucks. Or your form is too long. So fix the offer first, not the targeting. Okay, if your goal is sales, add to cart, initiate checkout, purchases, and cost per purchase. And please stop tracking ads every 15 minutes or every 1 hour, like a cycle. Then you are not doing marketing, you are doing emotional damage to yourself. Okay, and here is a clean rule for beginners. If your target cost per lead is $10 and after spending $30 you still have nothing, kill it. Don't waste more money hoping for a miracle. Because ads are not magic, ads are testing. And if something doesn't work, it's not personal, it's data. If your ads works, scaling is easy, but do not double the budget overnight. That's how you ruin performance. So increase budget by 20 to 30% every 2 days, or duplicate the ad set and increase slowly. Low budget scaling is about stability, not ego. Okay, so let me summarize the whole strategy. Low budget Facebook ads in 2026 are simple. One clear offer, one campaign objective that match your goal, broad targeting, one strong video ad, let it run for 5 days, improve based on data, and that's it. Not 20 ad sets, not 50 interests, not fancy funnels, just a system. And if you want, I can make a second video where I give you 3 ready to use ad templates you can copy paste and run today. So comment low budget and I will drop it. So see you in the next one.